Sup, sluts. Today we're doing some fuel injectors. And trying to put the trans on. What else are we doing? Clutch. Clutch? Hey, I'm making a video!
Hey, we're trying to work over here.
I'm trying to work too. Everybody gotta eat.
Damn, your glasses.
Sunglasses match your valve cover. What's up, baby? Hey, welcome back to Just Pasha. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive. Subaru things.
I'm a little nervous, but I want to flip over Caleb's car while he's not here because he never lets me flip over his car. It was very not. I don't know. Guys, I'm doing a flip over Caleb's car. I gotta go back and work on the Miata. I gotta do injectors. I gotta do some transmission stuff. So let's just go do that.
That gasket looks like it'll be okay. Sure. We can probably reuse it.
Boys, don't mind the noises of the fan because it's getting really hot. While the intake manifold is drying for paint, I went ahead and cleaned up the holes for the new injectors. Besides that, I cleaned up a little bit of a head, some grease. I wiped it all off. And right now, I am trying to put these fuel injectors together. But yeah, so basically I needed to go with, obviously, better injectors than stock because I am going boosted. I did look up a YouTube video on how to assemble these things. The seal goes on the bottom, right? Okay. Then this thing, I'm still gonna need to look up the video and see how exactly everything works, but it is interesting because like we have so many little things, and apparently I'm supposed to lube up the the injectors because there's like some electric grease that supposedly helps. I don't know why exactly, but I guess let's just do it, right? Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna look up a video again and I'm just gonna watch what he did. So this thing apparently supposedly goes in there. Oh yeah, look, it fits right in, perfect. So the lube, super lube, it's called super lube. I don't know if you can see, it's like right here, tiny little thingy. It is included. Lube up this. I think he lubed up the O-ring thingy. I'm also gonna lube up this. Hopefully I'm doing the right thing. This blue piece goes on top, right? Oh, it's going in snug. Okay, perfect. I think it's on. It is actually easier with the lube to like put it all on because obviously this is supposed to be tight. And next thing we're gonna have to do is another O-ring, the seal, whatever it's called, whatever you want to call it. One of these little boys. It's going on top of the blue thingy here. I can't really do it. There we go. Next thing is this little filter. Okay, the guy did not show how to do it, but what I'm guessing it is going with a golden thingy up, because like it's a filter, it filters the fuel and it goes through, so there we go, just like that. And just like that, I think we assembled our first fuel injector. Congratulations me. Thank you very much, everyone. I appreciate the support. I did it all on my own, by myself. very proud. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the rest of the injectors. It's time to put the intake manifold on. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I don't know why, but hopefully no one has ever opened it. That is not the gasket. That is not the gasket. That is definitely not the gasket. Wow. That's the wrong gasket. What the frick? Okay, that is going to be returned, but it is not the right gasket. Alright, couple things, little story time. It's been an hour since the last time recorded something. I called O'Reilly's, alright? I ordered a gasket. They were like, oh yeah, that's the one, the intake manifold gasket, blah, blah, blah. Sure. It got ordered, everything was fine. I had Caleb pick it up. He brought it to the shop. I paid for it, everything's good. And here we are, I'm trying to install it, and it's the wrong gasket. Great, I'm like, all right, cool. Well, we don't have a receipt. I'm gonna go return it, or try to return it. I get to O'Reilly's. Luckily, I was able to return the wrong gasket. It was the upper plenum intake manifold gasket for Miata. I don't know, it was completely not the right one. I needed a lower one apparently. The more you do, the more you learn. Luckily, as I said, I was able to return it. The other gasket was $1 more expensive. They wrote it off for me. Thank you very much. Shout out to O'Reilly's in St. Charles. However, I did have to drive half an hour to another store to pick this one up. Through the traffic, it was just a pain in the ass, but here we are back at it again. I'm gonna throw this on, throw the intake manifold on, and hopefully I still have time to drop the engine on the ground as well as start working on the clutch, because that's what I need to do. How's everyone doing, guys? I don't know, I haven't actually talked to you much in a while, so please let me know how you guys are feeling, how you're doing, how's your summer. My summer is amazing, if anyone is wondering. I've been very not productive on the Kart. However, I was very happy enjoying the time with friends, enjoying the time, I don't know, playing video games, possibly drinking on weekends, I don't know, meeting more people, trying to go out on dates more. This is the right, whoops, this is the right gasket. I don't know if there's a proper way of putting it on. There are two little things here. I actually wonder which way it goes. This or that? I think it goes like that. I'm not sure. I do think it goes on like this. I can actually... Oh, no, no, no. No, is that the wrong one again? Are you serious? No way. There's no way it's wrong! How? It literally says 1999, right? Mazda 1.8 liter. What the frick? Boys, shit's just not going well. Just not. Unless I twist it and it fits properly. Let's hope that's the case. And it's not the fucking case. What the fuck? What Miata is this for? It's a 1.8 liter Miata. How is this a thing? It's not... I'm pretty fucking pissed. I'm really pissed. Very much so. Yes, it is, again, the not right gasket. I can't English right now. God damn it. I just drove a fucking hour. An hour. I drove an hour, okay? I drove a freaking hour. I know I'm already cussing. I don't give a shit. I fucking drove 1 hour just to fucking get the wrong gas. That's great. That's awesome. Yay. Very nice. Fucking hell. Why? I really wanted to make this video today. I really did. I really wanted to do so much stuff, and all I got done is just put injectors in. Good job, me. Good job, me, again. I'll get back at it tomorrow because I have to order it now, and they have to, I don't know, deliver it to my store tomorrow. Luckily, I'm off. I actually, so it's another story time. I'll tell you later. Never mind. But I'll be here tomorrow. Okay, great. Bye. All right, boys, we're back. We are back with a new third gasket now, and I sure hope it is the right one because I actually looked at the picture. I actually found the old gasket in the garbage, and I compared them, and they're supposedly the same. I'm sorry, I'm a little naked. It's like 90 degrees in here, so
It's way hotter than 90 degrees.
it's, yeah, probably. But basically, I wasn't filming anything, but we did the feed line. I did not recommend eBay Turbo Kits because it's a piece of shit, and it was super hard to put everything together. The line, it doesn't like the nut on the line doesn't screw through, and the line keeps like going around, and I don't know. It's just super cheap. It's something I wouldn't recommend. Anyways, I did find an oil drain line, which is or a drain fitting, should I say, which is nice. So everything is back together for the most part besides the clutch. What we're gonna do right now is do the clutch. Caleb's gonna help me with that, and we are not going to put the trans on just because we're planning to put the engine in the car, and since I don't have, well, it takes too much time to put the PPF and the diff in, so we're not doing it yet. We are just putting the engine in, and the reason why we're not putting the transmission to the engine in the car is because it's going to be sitting like very sideways. It's going to lean back a lot. So it also is easier to put the wiring harness in the car without the trans in. So we're going to put the clutch on and hopefully put the engine in at some point of this weekend. Hopefully you guys are going to see that in this video. If not, it's going to be the next for sure. So boys, I'm just gonna show you real quick. The turbo is hitting the frame rail. Let me get here for you. The turbo is hitting the frame rail right here. So what we're gonna have to do is cut, well, we have the Sawzall. We probably can cut like a little outlet thingy for it. Yep, so the turbo doesn't hit that. But hey, it's a big moment. I don't know, I don't seem very excited. I'm actually very tired and drained. It's just because it's very hot.
Explain what's going on.
Instead of trying to put the motor mount, or sorry, the engine in with the motor mounts on, we're putting the bottom part of the motor mounts in the subframe the way you're supposed to do it. Pasha put one of the motor mounts on wrong, so he's taking it off and flipping it
I didn't put it wrong, all right? It was like that, like it came.
It wasn't right, but it wasn't wrong.
Right. If it wasn't right, how was it not wrong? But it also wasn't wrong, so how was it not right?
It wasn't right because you couldn't remove it without taking the entire thing off. Because you put the bolt in the wrong way. But it wasn't wrong because it still held it together. So it was kind of like the motor mounts on the truck. You can't, you have to pull the engine out to remove the motor mounts, but
If it wasn't wrong, why do you have to fix it?
because we had to remove the two parts. And you couldn't remove the two parts with one bolt. Okay, let's see how
So
far
it should be bolted in. Is it how it is? Oh, it is lifted up a little bit. So. but I guess.
Oh yeah, the suspension's gonna compress a little bit. Oh yeah.
All right, boys, the motor is in. Fuck yeah! Woo! Shut up. I'm excited. Shut up. You shut up. I'm excited. Like, what?
Congratulations.
Look at her. Oh, it is definitely.
That's
Not much lower, but it's lower.
Oh yeah, there was boom.
Look at that. Dude, look at that. Boys, it's in.
It's crooked because there's no transmission on it.
Yeah. So it's kind of facing forward a little bit just because there's no trans. But the turbo is not hitting anything, I think. It was a pain in the ass to just do all that. And we had to redo the turbo facing up. So the piping will go up here somehow. I think we have some 90-degree ones, so we can go like around or up front. We'll see. But the engine, my friends, the engine is in. It's been an honor doing it. It's awesome. I'm really tired and it's really hot. I'm sweating, and we're about to make another video about cleaning the shop. So we're gonna die in this heat. It's like 99 outside. But I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. The engine is in. I'm so excited. I'm about to cry, maybe. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.
You know what we say at Just Pasha, stay positive unless it's an HIV test.